IESE Library has a new self-service machine which allows you to borrow and return books, renew loans and check your account more easily and more quickly. First, we will explain how it works. Approach the machine, which is in the library's entrance hall, next to the information point. Select the checkout option. Swipe your IESE card across the reader. Scan the book in the indicated space. Make sure the return date appears. To complete the loan procedure, click on Done. If you want a receipt, press the Print Report or Email Report option. You can also extend the loan period of your books. For that, you need to select the Renew option. Swipe your IESE card across the reader. The screen will display the books you have on loan. Select the one you would like to renew and press the Renew selected option. If you want a receipt, press the Print Report or Email Report option. To return books you have on loan, select the Return option. Place the book in the indicated space. To finish the procedure, click on Done. To get a receipt, select the Print Report or Email Report option. Lastly, put the book in the returns basket next to the self-service machine on the information point counter. You can also use the machine to check the status of your account. Select the Account option. Swipe your IESE card across the reader. If you select the Items Out option, you can verify which books you currently have on loan. To check the status of your book reservations, select the Holds option. If you have any doubts or need more information, please contact us.